Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we're going to head over to web scraping. That is kind of a good thing in Python, and it's used in many sectors like machine learning and AI, because when robots get, or machine or any software gets lots of information, if it's like web crawler, then it needs to pull out all this information. So web scraping come handy over here. And for web scraping, in this lesson we are going to use two libraries of Python. So one is request and second is BS4, that is beautiful soup 4. So first of all, before importing this in our Python file, you have to install them in your system. So while installing them in your system or machine, you have to download Git. If you haven't downloaded it, go fast and download it, because it's very much important, guys, for those who are programming with Python. Because while using Django framework and while using frameworks like these things, you might get some this, and while using TensorFlow you need this. Okay, so let's jump over here and pip install. You have to do it. I will not do it. BS4, or if that doesn't work, you can simply type beautiful soup 4. It will surely print install. And for installing request, use this code. This code will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And documentation also, you can find it in the description box below. So after installing, just import them, and let's import. Okay, we have imported it. Now let's create a variable called data URL equals, and we use request method of get. And here we pass URL of our YouTube channel, that is www.youtube.com/Kovid. Okay, after doing this, we just need to first of all define soup using beautiful soup method. bs4 dot beautiful soup, and inside this we have to use two parameters, that is data URL dot t text, comma, and next is HTML dot parser. You can also use HTML only. And what this gonna do is it will store all this data of www.youtube.com/Kovid into data URL, and beautiful soup gonna store that URLs just text in the soup and just parse that as HTML. Okay, it's kind of easy to understand. And after that, we have to define soup, that is our soup links soup. Okay, equals soup dot, we have to find from this data URL, find underscore all. We have to find all these data from a tag, which that a tag which has value of ref equals true. So it will check if there is ref or not as ref. So after doing this, here we need to use for loop for link in soup. Okay, for a link in soup, print out link at ref. So let's check it out, guys. Okay, you can see here all these data are imported, where all those things that we have are stored here. So if I just hover over this one and see all of those links, And if I see and check out over here, none of my any of mine are HTTPS beside my social links. So if I want to put here my social links, what I need to do, let's check it out. First of all, we have to check out. Okay, first of all, let's check if link ref, that is link ref is not equals to a, okay, sorry, dot starts with https www dot and something, then we're gonna print out link at ref. Otherwise, if it doesn't have www, else we have to just pass it over. So let's check it out, guys. And over here you can see all of mine social links. So this is one more. So let me cross over these only. So for this and link href equals, okay guys, one question or assignment for you to just find out only these four. Okay, so you can use all this code and use your logic and just find these only. And if you can, go and make your own project and submit me through my email address or through my comment. This one you can make and paste that code in my comment down below, or you can send me your project. I will promote your project to the email is in the description box below. You can go and check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video. This much for today's web scraping video. I will come with another videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one.